Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Marhaba. Assalamu alaikum. Ana Cynthia Samson में कनाती मैन अल अरबियती अल अखबारियती. Welcome everybody. This is Cynthia Samson from Man Arab News Channel. So today we are going to study the new lesson from Quran, that is Al Anfal, from verse 1 to 75, and today we are going to complete this lesson. سنبدأ اليوم درس الأنفال للجديد من الآية واحد إلى خمسة وسبعون ثم يكتمل. So let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله.
So, Anfal or the spoils of war. We'll study first from verse 1 to 8. Very slowly I will read it out in Arabic language, then the translation will be done in English language. So let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yas'alunaka anil anfal. Kulil anfalu lillahi war rasul fatakullaha wa aslihu zata bainikum wa atiullaha wa rasulahu in kuntum mu'minin. Inamal mu'minun nalazina iza zukira lahu wajilat qulubuhum wa iza tuliyat alayhim ayatuhu zadathum imanan wa Allah rabbihim yatawakkalun Allah lazina yuqimuna salata wa mimma razaqnahum yunfikun ulaika humul mu'minuna haqqa lahum darajatun inda rabbihim wa maghfiratun wa rizqun kareem. Kama akhrajaka rabbuka min baytika bil haqqi wa inna minal mu'minina la karihun. Yujadilunaka fil haqqi ba'da ma tabayyana ka annama yusaquna ilal mauti wa hum yanzurun wa iz ya'idukumullahu ihdata ifatayni anna halakum wa tawadawna anna gaira zatish shaukati takawnu lakum ma wa yuridullahu ani yuhikkal haqqa bi kalimatihi wa yaqta dabiral kafirin li yuhikka haqqa wa yubtilal batila wa law karihal mujrimun. So what does it mean in English? Anfal or the spoils of war in the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. They ask thee concerning things taken as spoils of war. Say, such spoils are at the disposal of Allah and the apostles, so fear Allah and keep straight the relations between yourselves. Obey Allah and His apostle if ye do believe. For believers are those who, when Allah is mentioned, feel a tremor in their hearts, and when they hear His signs rehearsed, find their faith strengthened and put all their trust in their Lord, who established regular prayers and spent freely out of the gifts we have given them for sustenance. Such, in truth, are the believers. They have grades of dignity with their Lord and forgiveness and generous sustenance, just as thy Lord ordered thee out of thy house in truth, even though a party among the believers disliked it, disputing with thee concerning the truth after it was made manifest, as if they were being driven to death and they actually saw it. Behold, Allah promised you one of the two enemy parties that it should be yours. Ye wish that the one unarmed should be yours, but Allah willed to justify the truth according to His words and to cut off the roots of the unbelievers, that He might justify truth and prove falsehood false, distasteful though it be to those in guilt. Now next verse comes. That is from 9 to 16. Okay. Istastagithona rabbakum fastajaba lakum ani mumiddukum bi alfin minal malak ikati murdifin wa ma ja'alahu Allahu illa bushra wa li tatma'inna bihi qulubukum wa man nasru illa min indillahi innallaha azizun hakim. Is yugash she kumunnu asa amanatam me nuhwa yunazilu alaikum minas sama'i ma al liu tahirakum bihi wa yuzhibba ankum rijzash shaitani wa li yarbita ala kulubikum wa yuthabbita bihil aqdam. Is yawhi rabbuka ilal malaikati anima akum fattabitul lazina amanaw sa'ulki fi qulubil lazina kafaru ruba fadribaw fawqal anaki wadribaw minhum kulla banan. Zalika bi annahum shakku laha wa rasawlaha wa mani yushaddik wa mani yush aki ki laha wa rasawlahu fa inna laha shadidul iqab. Zalikum fazawqahu wa ana lil kafirina azaban nar. Ya ayyuhal lazina amanu iza laqitumul lazina kafaraw zahafan falatu walahumul adbar wa mani yuwallihim yawma izin duburahu illa mutaharifal likitalin aw mutahayyizan illa fi atin faqad ba bi gadabim minallahi wa mawahu jahannam wa bisal masir. So what does it mean in English? Remember ye implored the assistance of your Lord, and he answered you, I will assist you with 1,000 of the angels rank on ranks. Allah made it but a message of hope and an assurance to your hearts. In any case, there is no help except from Allah, and Allah is exalted in power wise. Remember, he covered you with a sort of drowsiness to give you calm as from himself, and he caused rain to descend on you from the heaven to clean you therewith, to remove from you the stain of Satan, to strengthen your hearts and to plant your feet firmly therewith. Remember, thy Lord inspired the angels with the message, I am with you. Give firmness to the believers. I will instill terror into the hearts of the unbelievers. Smite, yea, above their necks, and smite all their fingertips of them. This because they contended against Allah and his apostle. If any contend against Allah and his apostle, Allah is strict in punishment. Thus will it be said, taste ye then of the punishment for those who resist Allah is the penalty of fire. O ye who believe, when ye meet the unbelievers in hostile array, never turn your backs to them. If any do turn his back to them on such a day, unless it be in stratagem of war or to retreat to a troop of his own, he draws on himself the wrath of Allah, and his abode is hell, an evil refuge indeed. So now next verse comes, that is from 17 to 25. Falam taqtulluhum walakin Allah qatallahum wa ma ramaita is ramaita walakin Allah rama wa liyubliyal mu'minina minhu bala'an hasana inna Allaha sami'un alim. Zalikum wa anna Allaha mawhinu kaidil kafirin in tastaftihu faqad ja'kumul fath wa in tantahu fahuwa khairul lakum wa in ta'udaw na'ud walan tugniya ankum fi atukum shay'an wa la kathurat wa anna Allaha ma'al mu'minin. Ya ayyuhal lazina amanu atiu Allaha wa rasulahu wa la tawallaw anhu wa antum tasma'un wa la takunu kallazina qalu samina wa hum la yasma'un. Inna sharrad dawabi indallahi sumul bukmul allazina la yaqilun. Walau alimallahu fihim khairal la asma'ahum walau asma'ahum la tawallaw wa hum muridun. Ya ayyuhallazina amanus tajibu lillahi wa lirrasuli iza da'akum limma yuhyikum wa lamu anna laha yahulu bainal mari wa qalbihi wa annahu ilayhi tuhsharun wa taqaw fitnatalla tusibannal lazina zalamu minkum khassaha wa lamu anna allaha shahadidul iqab. So what does it mean in English? It is not ye who slew them, it was Allah. When thou there wast a handful of dust, it was not thy act but Allah's, in order that he might test the believers by a gracious trial from himself. For Allah is he who heareth and knoweth all things. That and also because Allah is he who makes feeble the plans and stratagems of the unbelievers. O unbelievers, if ye prayed for victory and judgment, now hath the judgment come to you. If ye desist from wrong, it will be best for you. If ye return to the attack, so shall we. Not the least good will your forces be to you, even if they were multiplied. For verily Allah is with those who believe. O ye who believe, obey Allah and his apostle, and turn not away from him when ye hear him speak. Nor be like those who say, we hear but listen not. For the worst of beasts in the sight of Allah are the deaf and dumb, those who understand not. If Allah had found in them any good, he would indeed have made them listen. As it is, if he had made them listen, they would but have turned back and declined faith. O ye who believe, give your response to Allah and his apostle when he calleth you to that which will give you life, and know that Allah cometh in between a man and his heart, and that it is he to whom ye shall all be gathered. And fear tumult or oppression, which affecteth not in particular only those of you who do wrong, and know that Allah is strict in punishment. Now next verse comes, that is from 26 to 33. Waskuro is antum kalilum mustad'afawna fil ardi takhafawna ani yata khatafakumun nasu fa'awakum wa ayadakum binasrihi wa razaqakum minat-tayyibati la'allakum tashkurun. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu la takhawnu Allaha wa rasula wa takhawnu amanatikum wa antum ta'lamun wa lamu anama amwalukum wa awladukum fitnatun wa anna Allaha indahu ajrun azim. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu in tattaqullaha yaj'al lakum furqanan wa yukafir ankum sayi'atikum wa yaghfir lakum wallahu zul fadlil azim. Wa iz yamkuru bikalla lazina kafaru li yuthbituka aw yaqtuluka aw yukhrijuk wa yamkuruna wa yamkuru laha wallahu khairul makirin. Wa iza tutla alayhim ayatuna kalau kad samina law nasha'ul la kulna mitla haza in haza illa asatirul awwalin. Wa is kalau lahumma in kana haza هو الحق من عندك فأمطر علينا حجارة من السماء أو ائتنا بعذاب أليم وما كان الله ليعذبهم وأنت فيهم وما كان الله معذبهم وهم يستغفرون. So what does it mean in English? See all to mind when ye were a small band, despised through the land and afraid that men might despoil and kidnap you. But he provided a safe asylum for you, strengthened you with his aid, and gave you good things for sustenance, that ye might be grateful. O ye that believe, betray not the trust of Allah and the apostle, nor misappropriate knowingly things entrusted to you, and know ye that your possessions and your progeny are but a trial, and that it is Allah with whom lies your highest reward. O ye who believe, if ye fear Allah, He will grant you a criterion to judge between right and wrong, remove from you all evil that may afflict you, and forgive you, for Allah is the Lord of grace unbounded. Remember how the unbelievers plotted against thee to keep thee in bonds, or slay thee, or get thee out of thy home. They plot and plan, and Allah too plans, but the best of the planners is Allah. When our signs are rehearsed to them, they say, we have heard this before. If we wished, we could say words like these. These are nothing but tales of the ancients. Remember how they said, O Allah, if this is indeed the truth from thee, rain down on us a shower of stones from the sky, or send us a grievous penalty. But Allah was not going to send them a penalty whilst thou wert amongst them, nor was He going to send it whilst they could ask for pardon. Now next verse comes, that is from 34 to 40. وَمَا لَهُمْ أَلَّا يُعَذِّبَهُمُ اللَّهُ وَهُمْ يَصُدُّونَ عَنِ الْمَسْجِدِ الْحَرَامِ وَمَا كَانُوا أَوْلِيَاءَهُ إِنْ أَوْلِيَاؤُهُ إِلَّا الْمُتَّقُونَ وَلَكِنَّ أَكْثَرَهُمْ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ وَمَا كَانَ صَلَاتُهُمْ عِندَ الْبَيْتِ إِلَّا مُكَّاءً وَتَصْدِيَةً فَذُوقُوا الْعَذَابَ بِمَا كُنْتُمْ تَكْفُرُونَ إِنَّ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا يُنْفِقُونَ أَمْوَالَهُمْ لِيَصُدُّوا عَنْ سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ فَسَيُنْفِقُونَهَا ثُمَّ تَكُونُ عَلَيْهِمْ حَسْرَةً ثُمَّ يُغْلَبُونَ وَالَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا إِلَى جَهَنَّمَ يُحْشَرُونَ لِيَمِيزَ اللَّهُ الْخَبِيثَ مِنَ الطَّيِّبِ وَيَجْعَلَ الْخَبِيثَ بَعْضَهُ عَلَى بَعْضٍ فَيَرْكُمُهُ جَمِيعًا فَيَجْعَلُهُ فِي جَهَنَّمَ أُولَئِكَ هُمُ الْخَاسِرُونَ قُلْ لِلَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا إِنْ يَنْتَهُوا يُغْفَرْ لَهُم مَّا قد سلف وإن يعودوا فقد مضت سنة الأولين وقاتلوهم حتى لا تكون فتنة ويكون الدين كله لله فإن انتهوا فإن الله بما يعملون بصير وإن تولوا فاعلموا أن الله مولاكم نعم المولى ونعم النصير. So what does it mean in English? Sorry. But what plea have they that Allah should not punish them when they keep out men from the sacred mosque and they are not its guardians? No man can be its guardians except the righteous, but most of them do not understand. Their prayer at the house of God is nothing but whistling and clapping of hands. Its only answer can be, taste ye the penalty because ye blasphemed. The unbelievers spend their wealth to hinder men from the path of Allah, and so will they continue to spend, but in the end they will have only regrets and sighs. At length they will be overcome and the unbelievers will be gathered together to hell, in order that Allah may separate the impure from the pure, put the impure one on another heap them together and cast them into hell. They will be the one to have lost. Say to the unbelievers, if not they desist from unbelief, their past would be forgiven them, but if they persist, the punishment of those before them is already a matter of warning for them, and fight them on until there is no more tumult or oppression, and there prevail justice and faith in Allah altogether and everywhere. But if they cease, verily Allah doth see all that they do. If they refuse, be sure that Allah is your protector, the best to protect and best to help. Now next verse comes, that is from 41 to 45. وَلَمَوْ أَنَمَا غَنِمْتُم مِّن شَيْءٍ فَأَنَّ لِلَّهِ خُمُسَهُ وَلِلرَّسُولِ وَلِذِي الْقُرْبَى وَالْيَتَامَى وَالْمَسَاكِينِ وَابْنِ السَّبِيلِ إِن كُنتُمْ آمَنتُم بِاللَّهِ وَمَا أَنزَلْنَا عَلَى عَبْدِنَا يَوْمَ الْفُرْقَانِ يَوْمَ الْتَقَى الْجَمْعَانِ وَاللَّهُ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدِيرٌ إِذْ أَنْتُمْ بِالْعُدْوَةِ الدُّنْيَا وَهُمْ بِالْعُدْوَةِ الْقُصْوَى وَالرَّكْبُ أَسْفَلَ مِنْكُمْ وَلَوْ تَوَاعَدتُّمْ لَاخْتَلَفْتُمْ فِي الْمِيعَادِ وَلَكِنْ لِيَقْضِيَ اللَّهُ أَمْرًا كَانَ مَفْعُولًا لِيَهْلِكَ مَنْ هَلَكَ عَنْ بَيِّنَةٍ وَيَحْيَىٰ مَنْ حَيَّىٰ عَنْ بَيِّنَةٍ وَإِنَّ اللَّهَ لَسَمِيعٌ عَلِيمٌ إِذْ يُرِيكَهُمُ اللَّهُ فِي مَنَامِكَ قَلِيلًا وَلَوْ أَرَاكَهُمْ كَثِيرًا فَشِلْتُمْ وَلَتَنَازَعْتُمْ فِي الْأَمْرِ وَلَكِنَّ اللَّهَ سَلَّمَ إِنَّهُ عَلِيمٌ بِذَاتِ الصُّدُورِ وَإِذْ يُرِيكُمُوهُمْ إِذِ الْتَقَيْتُمْ فِي أَعْيُنِكُمْ قَلِيلًا وَيُقَلِّلُكُمْ فِي أَعْيُنِهِمْ لِيَقْضِيَ اللَّهُ أَمْرًا كَانَ مَفْعُولًا وَإِلَى اللَّهِ تُرْجَعُ الْأُمُورُ يَا أَيُّهَا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا إِذَا لَقِيتُمْ فِئَةً فَاثْبُتُوا وَاذْكُرُوا اللَّهَ كَثِيرًا لَعَلَّكُمْ تُفْلِحُونَ. So what does it mean in English? And know that out of all the booty that ye may acquire in war, a fifth share is assigned to Allah and to the apostle and to near relatives, orphans, the needy, and the wayfarer, if ye do believe in Allah and in revelation we send down to our servant on the day of testing, the day of meeting of two forces, for Allah hath power over all things. Remember, ye were on the hither side of valley, and they on farther side, and the caravan on lower ground than ye. Even if ye had made a mutual appointment to meet, ye would certainly have failed in the appointment, but thus ye met that Allah might accomplish a matter already enacted, that those who died might die after a clear sign had been given, and those who lived might live after a clear sign and had been given. And verily Allah is He who heareth and knoweth all things. Remember, in thy dream Allah showed them to thee as few. If He had shown them to thee as many, ye would surely have been discouraged, and ye would surely have disputed in your decision. But Allah saved you, for He knoweth He knoweth well the secrets of all hearts. And remember, when ye met, He showed them to you as few in your eyes, and He made you appear as contemptible in their eyes, that Allah might accomplish a matter already enacted. For to Allah do all questions go back for decision. O ye who believe, when ye meet a foe, be firm and call Allah in remembrance much and often, that ye may prosper. Now next verse comes, that is from 46 to 52. وَأَطِيعُوا اللَّهَ وَرَسُولَهُ وَلَا تَنَازَعُوا فَتَفْشَلُوا وَتَذْهَبَ رِيحُكُمْ وَاصْبِرُوا إِنَّ اللَّهَ مَعَ الصَّابِرِينَ وَلَا تَكُونُوا كَالَّذِينَ خَرَجُوا مِنْ دِيَارِهِمْ بَطَرًا وَرِئَاءَ النَّاسِ وَيَصُدُّونَ عن سبيل الله والله بما يعملون محيط وإذ زين لهم الشيطان أعمالهم وقال لا غالب لكم اليوم من الناس وإني جار لكم فلما تراءت الفئتان نكص على عقبيه وقال إني بريء منكم إني أرى ما لا ترون إني أخاف الله والله شديد العقاب إذ يقول المنافقون والذين في قلوبهم مرض غير هؤلاء دينهم ومن يتوكل على الله فإن الله عزيز حكيم ولو ترى إذ يتوفى الذين كفروا الملائكة يضربون وجوههم وأدبارهم وذوقوا عذاب الحريق ذلك بما قدمت أيديكم وأن الله ليس بظلام للعبيد كذب آل فرعون والذين من قبلهم كفروا بآيات الله فأخذهم الله بذنوبهم إن الله قوي شديد العقاب. So what does it mean in English? And obey Allah and His apostle and fall into no disputes lest ye lose heart and your power depart, and be patient and persevering, for Allah is with those who patiently persevere. And be not like those who started from their homes insolently, and to be seen of men and to hinder men from the path of Allah, for Allah compasseth round about all that they do. Remember, Satan made their sinful acts seem alluring to them, and said, no one among men can overcome you this day while I am near to you. But when the two forces came in sight of each other, he turned on his heels and said, lo, I am clear of you. Lo, I see what ye see not. Lo, I fear Allah, for Allah is strict in punishment. Lo, the hypocrites say, and those in whose hearts is a disease, these people, their religion has misered them. But if any trust in Allah, behold, Allah is exalted in might. Wise, if thou couldst see when the angels take the souls of the unbelievers at death, how they smite their faces and their backs, saying, taste the penalty of the blazing fire because of the deeds which your own hands sent forth. For Allah is never unjust to His servants. Deeds after the manner of the people of Pharaoh and of those before them, they rejected the signs of Allah, and Allah punished them for their crimes, for Allah is strong and strict in punishment. Now next verse comes, that is from 53 to 61. Zalika bi anna Allah lam yaku mughayyiran nimatan an amaha ala qaumin hatta yughayyiru ma bi anfusihim wa anna Allah sami'un alim. Kadabi ali fir'auna walazina min qablihim kazabaw bi ayati rabbihim fa ahlaknahum bizunubihim wa agraqna ala fir'aun wa kullun kanu zalimin inna sharad dawabi indallahi allazina kafaru fahum la yu'minun allazina ahata minhum thumma yanquduna ahdahum fi kulli maratin wa hum la yattaqun fa imma تكفنهم في الحرب فشرد بهم من خلفهم لعلهم يذكرون وإما تخافن من قوم خيانة فانبذ إليهم على سواء إن الله لا يحب الخائنين ولا يحسبن الذين كفروا سبقوا إنهم لا يعجزون وأعدوا لهم ما استطعتم من قوة ومن رباط الخيل ترهبون به عدو الله وعدوكم وآخرين من دونهم لا تعلمونهم الله يعلمهم وما تنفقوا من شيء في سبيل الله يوفى إليكم وأنتم لا تظلمون وإن جنحوا للسلم فاجنح لها وتوكل على الله إنه هو السميع العليم. So what does it mean in English? Because Allah will never change the grace which He hath bestowed on a people until they change what is in their own souls, and verily Allah is He who heareth and knoweth all things, deeds after the manner of the people of Pharaoh and those before them. They treated as false the signs of their Lord, so we destroyed them for their crimes, and we drowned the people of Pharaoh, for they were all oppressors and wrongdoers. For the worst of beasts in the sight of Allah are those who reject Him, they will not believe. They are those with whom thou didst make a covenant, but they break their covenant every time, and they have not the fear of God. If ye gain the mastery over them in war, disperse with them those who follow them, that they may remember. If thou fearest treachery from any group, throw back their covenant to them, so as to be on equal terms, for Allah loveth not the treacherous. Let not the unbelievers think that they can get the better of the godly. They will never frustrate them. Against them make ready your strength to the utmost of your power, including steeds of war, to strike terror into the hearts of the enemies of Allah and your enemies and others besides, whom ye may not know, but whom Allah doth know. Whatever ye shall spend in the cause of Allah shall be repaid unto you, and ye shall not be treated unjustly. But if the enemy incline towards peace, do thou also incline towards peace, and trust in Allah, for He is the one that heareth and knoweth all things. Now next verse comes, that is from 62 to 69. وَإِنْ يُرِيدُوا أَنْ يَخْدَعُوكَ فَإِنَّ حَسْبَكَ اللَّهُ هُوَ الَّذِي أَيَّدَكَ بِنَصْرِهِ وَبِالْمُؤْمِنِينَ وَأَلَفَ بَيْنَ قُلُوبِهِمْ لَوْ أَنفَقْتَ مَا فِي الْأَرْضِ جَمِيعًا ما ألفت بين قلوبهم ولكن الله ألف بينهم إنه عزيز حكيم. يا أيها النبي حسبك الله ومن اتبعك من المؤمنين. يا أيها النبي حرض المؤمنين على القتال إن يكن منكم إشرون صابرون يغلبوا مئتين وإن يكن منكم مئة يغلبوا ألفا من الذين كفروا بأنهم قوم لا يفقهون. الآن خفف الله عنكم وعلم أن فيكم ضعفا فإن يكن منكم مئة صابرة يغلبوا مئتين وإن يكن منكم ألف يغلبوا الفین بإذن اللہ واللہ مع الصابرین ما کان لنبی ان یکون لہ اسرى یدخل فی الارض تریدون عرض الدنیا واللہ یرید الآخرہ واللہ عزیز حکیم لولا کتاب من اللہ سبق لمسکم فیما اخذتم عذاب عظیم فکلوا مما غنمتم حلالا طیبا واتقوا اللہ ان اللہ غفور رحیم. So what does it mean in English? Should they intend to deceive thee, verily Allah Sufi said thee, He is that hath strengthened thee with His aid, and with the company, the believers, and moreover He hath put affection between their hearts, not if thou hadst spent all that is in the earth, couldst thou have produced that affection, but Allah hath done it, for He is exalted in might wise. O Apostle, sufficient unto thee is Allah, unto thee and unto those who follow thee among the believers. O Apostle, rouse the believers to the fight. If there are 20 amongst you patient and persevering, they will vanquish 200. If 100, they will vanquish 1,000 of the unbelievers, for these are a people without understanding. For the present Allah hath lightened your task, for He knoweth that there is a weak spot in you. But even so, if there are 100 of you patient and persevering, they will vanquish 200, and if 1,000, they will vanquish 2,000 with the leave of Allah, for Allah is with those who patiently persevere. It is not fitting for an apostle that he should have prisoners of war until he hath thoroughly subdued the land. Yea, look for the temporal goods of this world, but Allah looketh to the hereafter, and Allah is exalted in might wise. Had it not been for a previous ordainment from Allah, a severe penalty would have reached you for the ransom that ye took. But now enjoy what ye took in lawful and good, but fear Allah, for Allah is oft forgiving, most merciful. Now next verse comes, that is from 70 to 75. Then afterwards we are going to complete this lesson. Ya ayyuhan nabiyyu kul liman fi aidikum minal asra inayya lamillahu fi kullu bikum khayran yutikum khayran mimma ukhizam minkum wa yaghfir lakum wallahu ghafurur rahim wa inay yuridau khiyanataka faqad khanullaha min qablu fa amkana minhum wallahu alimun hakim. Innal lazina amanu wa hajaru wa jahadu bi amwalihim wa anfusihim fi sabilillahi wal lazina wa nasarau ulaika ba'duhum awliya'u ba'd wallazina amanu wa lam yuhajiru ma lakum min walayatihim min shay'in hatta yuhajiru wa inastansarakum fid dini fa alaykumun nasru illa ala qawmin bainakum wa bainahum mithaq wallahu bima tamaluna basir. Wallazina kafaru ba'duhum awliya'u ba'd illa taf'aluhu takun fitnatun fil ardi wa fasadun kabir. Wallazina amanu wa hajaru wa jahadu fi sabilillahi wallazina awaw wa nasaru ulaika humul mu'minuna hakka lahum maghfiratun wa rizqun kareem. Wallazina amanu min ba'du wa hajaru wa jahadu ma'akum fa ulaika minkum وَأُولُو الْأَرْحَامِ بَعْضُهُمْ أَوْلَىٰ بِبَعْضٍ فِي كِتَابِ اللَّهِ إِنَّ اللَّهَ بِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ عَلِيمٌ. So what does it mean in English? O Apostle, say to those who are captives in your hands, if Allah findeth any good in your hearts, He will give you something better than what has been taken from you, and He will forgive you, for Allah is of forgiving, most merciful. But if they have treacherous designs against thee, O Apostle, they have already been in treason against Allah, and so hath He given thee power over them, and Allah is He who hath full knowledge and wisdom. Those who believed and adopted exile and fought for the faith with their property and their persons in the cause of Allah, as well as those who gave them asylum and aid, these are all friends and protectors one of another. As to those who believed but came not into exile, ye owe no duty of protection to them until they come into exile. But if they seek your aid in religion, it is your duty to help them, except against a people with whom ye have a treaty of mutual alliance. And remember, Allah seeth all that ye do. The unbelievers are protectors one of another. Unless ye do this, protect each other, there would be tumult and oppression on earth and great mischief. Those who believe and adopt exile and fight for the faith in the cause of Allah, as well as those who give them asylum and aid, these are all in very truth the believers. For them is the forgiveness of sins and provision most generous. And those who accept faith subsequently and adopt exile and fight for the faith in your company, they are of you, but kindred by blood, have prior rights against each other in the book of Allah. Verily, Allah is well acquainted with all things. So, هذا كل شيء لهذا اليوم. So that's all for the day. كانت هذه سنتيا تامسة قناة ميان العربية الأخبارية. أشترك في قناتنا للأخبارية في العربية والإنجليزية والهندية. شكرا. So this was Cynthia Samson from Mayan Arab News Channel. Subscribe to my news channel for latest news updates in Hindi, English and Arabic language. Thank you. Shukran. Khuda Hafiz.